Good evening, everybody. How's everybody doing tonight? This is Bradley here. Tonight is Friday, July 21st, 2023. Current time is now 10:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I'm here at the 2023 John Lambert Days Fireworks Show here at the John Lambert Days here in Ohio City, which I'm here located about 7 to 8 miles southwest of Van Wert, Ohio. Yes, folks, this is going to be the fireworks show here at the John Lambert Days. Yeah, fireworks will probably get ready to start just about about a minute or two. Yep, current time is now 10:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Yes, folks, temperatures in the 70s under mostly clear skies. Yes, it's going to be a perfect night to watch the fireworks here at the John Lambert Days here in Ohio City. Fireworks are going to be probably starting in the next about a minute or two. Just stay tuned, folks. Look, there you go. There we go. All right, folks, enjoy the fireworks. All right, folks, enjoy the fireworks. Ooh, I like those sparklings. They're pretty beautiful. Whoa, that was beautiful. I like when they shoot like that. That's pretty beautiful. Yes, folks, fireworks are so beautiful, aren't they? Yeah, they can turn to different things. Ooh. Ooh, that was pretty. Ooh. Yes, folks, fireworks have been helping us for years. They've been around for centuries. Oh, that was pretty. Whoa. that, folks. Yeah, that looks beautiful, doesn't it, folks? This is kind of like the same stuff they do at sporting events, too. Light up the fireworks like that. Yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? That was beautiful. Yep, got some applauding. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, that's beautiful. Whoa! Beautiful, cool, awesome, folks. Yeah! Sorry, folks, I did that to entertain everybody for the celebration of the fireworks. This is a great fireworks show, isn't it, folks? Yes. It's beautiful, isn't it? Whoa! That was a big one. Whoa! Another bomb explosion. Whoa! Look at that, baby! Yeah! Look at those things, dude. Whoa, look at that. Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! That was a... Whoa, that was an explosion I just saw right there. Well, everybody, hope you're really enjoying those fireworks. We'll see if we get more again soon. Stay tuned for more fireworks show in the future. This is Bradley here. I'm here at the John Lambert Days Fireworks Show here in Ohio City. Oh, look, they're shooting more. Right over there at the neighbors over there. Oh man, I feel that from that explosion that happened about a few minutes ago. Yep. Whoa, look at that. Yeah! It's all right, folks. I just like to honk my horn to let everybody know for the entertainment show, isn't it? All right, well, everybody, hope you're really enjoying the fireworks show here at the John Lambert Days of 2023. I'll get more videos again soon. Stay tuned for more fireworks show in the future. This is Bradley. This has been the 2023 John Lambert Days Fireworks Show here in Ohio City, located about 7 to 8 miles southwest of Wert, Ohio. All right, well, stay tuned for more fireworks show in the future, and stay tuned for more videos. All right, well, you all have a good evening. You all stay safe. Have a good night. Subscribe to my channel to see this video if you want to join the fireworks show. Enjoy. All right, well, stay tuned for more videos in the future. All those railroad and weather spotters out there, you all stay safe. And everybody out here and everybody out there around us, make sure you all stay safe. All right, you all have a good night. All right, thank you. All right, bye.